Hey guys, Wendy Patton here. I thought I would show you my new property, my new house that we just bought in Arizona. And I'm going to show you the before because it's a renovation project. It shouldn't be because it's only 4 years old, but for us it is a renovation project. It needs a lot of work and construction begins today. So I thought I should really start showing you before it gets started. So let me turn the camera around if it'll let me, and then I'll show you a little bit about it and why we bought it. Okay, so this is why we bought this house. Everything about real estate we always hear, right, is location, location, location. So we are in the Arizona area, and this is the best view in the area that we are in. And it is a very, very prime lot. But you can see it's on a golf course. It's got mountain views. It's just fabulous. Okay, now let's look at some things. So here is the pergola outdoor area. At first glance, not a bad thing, like kind of cool. It's got a grill, blah, blah, blah. But it is a kit. It is one that was just put together and not high quality. So this is going to need to be reworked. The people who built this actually did not do any upgrades to their home. They used kind of cheap stuff. Pool, it's got a spa, so it's got all the things. Now here is the back deck area. This is going to have some remodeling done as well here, because when you are here in Arizona, you must have shades. Well, they put these cheap sunshades down, and we put wind and sunshades in ours. So these will all be done. Every opening has to be sealed so that this back porch area can be something quite spectacular. Plus, we need a place for a fireplace. So we're meeting a lady in just a few minutes to design the new pergola area and cooking area where we have outdoor seating and stuff. And then also this back porch area. We've got to try to figure out where our furniture goes and how we're going to structure this. But this little wall is probably going to be closed off so we can mount a large TV here and watch the Detroit Lions. Yeah. and the guys can sit out here and watch the game and stuff in the winter. Of course, it's got a waterfall there and with the pool and everything. So, and that's a huge, huge umbrella right there. So shading in the summer. And these are all these little things hanging down up here are misters. Even though we don't live here in the summer, if we did come in the summer, it keeps it cool. That's the start of the outside. So today we're designing what the heck we're gonna do with this. Maybe we put a fireplace right there, and then we don't need a screen there. Maybe there's a fireplace in the middle dividing this big area. We're really not sure because that's the master bedroom, and this is the living room area. More to come. Okay, now we're inside the house, and this is the dining room. You can see beautiful views. Beautiful. There's my husband out there walking around before we meet the lady. Anyway, so this dining room opens up to there's no wall space in this house really. So we're going to close this off, and this is going to be my little teeny office in here because I only work part-time really. And this will be my office, and I'll leave those cabinets. I don't care. And we're going to put a pocket door here. I don't like being able to see from my dining room right down into the office. I think that's kind of weird. So we're closing this off today. This is the construction that starts today. That'll be closed off with a pocket door. Here's the kitchen. There's a little bar area, which the entire kitchen is going to be gutted. You might think, well, why? It looks pretty decent. It's white shaker cabinets, very popular still, but not for us. It's too white. It's too contemporary. We want a little warmer. So we are working on that. I did already sell the double oven, or microwave oven, I should say. And all the appliances are for sale in here, and so are these cabinets. Behind the kitchen, these are gonna be closed off up here, and we're gonna have cabinets going all the way up with a large oven, a 48-inch Wolf stove will go right there. Back in here is very nice. There's like a butler's pantry here. We're gonna put the wine coolers right there in the middle. And then it's got a huge pantry back here, which is beautiful. Great, amazing, except that we're going to have doors on them and it'll go all the way up. So it's gonna be a really amazing kitchen when this is all done. Big Sub-Zero fridge will go here. That'll be cabinet depth, not sticking out like this one. It'll have the same kind of island, but it'll have a waterfall and squared instead of that rounded arced area for the bar. So this is a large living room. Not doing much in here except painting. Everything these people did was white, 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 white. And I don't like the brick in here. It's not going to match our decor. So we'll be doing something with that. That's going to be our den area. This area is being pulled out. We have California closets coming in. They'll be building a place for like pickleball shoes and stuff like that, important stuff like that, of course. And then let's see what else we're going to do in here. Going to have to figure out a lot of things here. This is master bedroom. I don't think we're doing much in here besides the paint. It's got a nice little pan ceiling. Oh yeah, new ceiling fan, of course. They didn't do any lighting upgrades, so every light fixture is going to have to go. And then in here's the bathroom. This is pretty decent. Let me see if I've got lights in here. Pretty decent, nice shower, nice tub. We're going to leave the white in here. That's fine. And then the toilet room's over here. Master closet. Ah, there I am. Woohoo. Okay. It's got it's pretty decent, nice closet. We'll do a little bit of upgrading, including painting and stuff in here. I was going to do California closets, but I think it's pretty decent with like that little nook with a mirror and stuff. So I think we'll keep that. Go into the laundry room, which comes to the master and from the hallway, so you can get to it from either location. Oh my gosh, they put Formica. This is a really expensive home. And you put Formica in the laundry room. That's got to go. Okay, so we have new washer and dryers coming next week. Lots of construction starting. Here's the same ceiling fan. These bathrooms in the guest rooms are great. They're fine. They're fine for what we're going to need. You know, they're all ceramic and tiled and stone. Oops, there we go. And then that's one of the bathrooms. Oops, I left the fan on. Hold on. Hold on. Uh-oh, I don't even know how to turn this. Look at this thing. I have no idea how to turn it off. I don't know how to turn that off. Okay, maybe that does it. Okay, that's weird. So there's some weird lighting things. Each of the closets in the guest rooms are nice little walk-ins, so that's kind of cool. And this will be my little grandkids' playroom, which is actually the bigger room. I'm going to put a big pull-out couch in here for them, and a little chair and a TV room. And they can go to town in here with their own little bathroom and stuff. So they have a little place to play. Okay, then in here is the half bath, and this has got to be remodeled as well because I'm not a fan of that brick. It's not a bad brick thing, but it's just not for me. I'm not going to match our colors in this house. Now, here's one of my favorite parts of this house. First of all, really cool door. All the doors are 8 foot. But out here is going to be really cool. Oh, I should turn it on, the waterfall. But anyways, there's this little huge entryway area. And there's a waterfall right here, which is beautiful. It's not running right now, but and a lot of plants. They're all in drip systems. All of these potted plants are drip systems. These are usually big red flowers, beautiful. They're going to need some work. I don't know what I've got to do to really brush up this area, including maybe redoing some of those and that kind of thing. And there's going to be chairs sitting out here. Just a beautiful area where you can really sit and hang out and read, whatever. Just when people walk up, it's just a really nice feeling. Like, see, if you're coming up to our house, it's kind of amazing. Like, look, you just go like this, and you're walking in. So if I'm walking in, I'm coming up to the front door, you can just see there's like this big garden area, and it's just so lovely, in my opinion. So I'm excited about it. We'll keep you updated. I'll keep giving you updates.